Hi, Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to be demonstrating how to crochet the Picot Stitch. So it is a 3-chain Picot Stitch, and there are many variations of the Picot Stitch, and I will show you two. So I will demonstrate how to work the 3-chain, which is this one here, and then a 5-chain Picot Stitch. And what that just means is there's a taller Picot Stitch because we're using 5 chains instead of 3 chains. Okay, so I'm excited. Let's get started. In this video, I am using Darn Good Yarn's worsted weight roving silk yarn, and this is Chrism Fire. It's a medium 4, and I'm going to be using their ombre crochet hook. Okay, so we're going to start with a slip knot. And then I'm just going to work 2 rows of single crochet stitches. So I'm going to chain any number of stitches. And then for the first row, I'm just going to work 1 single crochet across, so into the second chain from the hook. I'm going to work my single crochet and in every stitch across. Okay, so I'm going to work another row of just single crochet. I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And then I'm just going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And then we will start our Picot stitches on the 3rd row. Okay, to start your Picot stitches, you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then 1 single crochet into the first stitch. So first I'm going to work a 3-chain Picot stitch. So what that means is I'm going to chain 3. Okay, so yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 3. Okay, so I have 3 chain stitches, and then right here into the first chain stitch that you made. So here's 1, 2, and 3. So it's the 3rd chain from your hook. You're going to work 1 single crochet into that 3rd chain. So insert your hook into that first chain. I'm going through 2 loops. You can go through 1 if you'd like. It's really a matter of personal preference. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then you're going to pull through 2 loops. Okay, so now I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So this was the first one here that we worked in. Now you want to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so there's your Picot stitch. It sticks out a little bit right there. Okay, so now I'm going to work another 3-chain Picot stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, again into the first chain stitch here. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you're going to insert your hook into that first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. So that's 1 single crochet into the first chain. And then that's how you will continue across if you wanted your Picot stitches really close together. So 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so there you can see there's 2 Picot stitches. And if you wanted to put them further apart, of course, you will have to increase the number of stitches in between each Picot stitch. So right now we're just working a Picot stitch in every stitch across. So now what I'm going to show you is a 5-stitch Picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so a 5-chain Picot stitch is basically chaining 5. and these were a 3-chain picot stitch. So in the same manner, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the first chain stitch of the 5. So right here at the very first one, so you're counting 5 back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, okay, yarn over and pull through 2. And then you want to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so you can clearly see the difference there. These two are lower and that one is taller. So there are many variations of picot stitches depending on what you're designing or what the pattern is asking you to work. So I'm going to work another 5-chain picot stitch. I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the very first chain, I'm going to work 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so now I'm just going to work 2 more of the 3-chain picot stitches. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the first chain right there, 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, 1 single crochet. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the first chain, 1 single crochet. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So you can see here my 3-chain picot stitches are these shorter ones here, and then the 2 middle ones were the ones where I worked the 5-chain picot stitch. Okay, so I've demonstrated how to work 2 different types. I'm going to take this back and just work the 3 just to show you what it looks like consistently across. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet into the third, and then 1 single crochet into the next. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and work that all the way across, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you can see here I've worked a 3-chain picot stitch in every stitch across, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so it's a fun way to add decorative edging to any of your projects. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.